Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 versus the Infinix Note 8. And guys, the Infinix Note 8 is giving you a beast MediaTek Helio G80 processor with a 6GB of RAM, while the new Redmi Note 10 is giving you a new Snapdragon 678 processor with the 4GB of RAM as well. On the back, we get quad cameras on both these two devices, as you can see. But we have a 64 megapixel main camera on the Infinix Note 8 as compared to 48 megapixel main camera on the Redmi Note 10. So I am really excited to see that how much difference between these two devices when it comes to booting up. So now let's start off with the boot up test first. And guys, and both phones is completely off. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the logo, it is here little bit more faster on the Redmi Note 10 as compared to the Infinix Note 8. And Redmi Note 10, it is running on Android 11, while the Infinix Note 8, it is running on Android 10. We have a MIUI version 12 as compared to XOS on the Infinix Note 8. Let's see. And as you can see that, and the Redmi Note 10, it is super faster when it comes to booting up, beat the Infinix Note 8 when it comes to booting up. About 1 or 2 second difference between these two devices. And as you can see that, and both phones give you a very different display. We have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on the Redmi Note 10 as compared to 720p IPS LCD display on the Infinix Note 8. And also we have a single front facing camera inside this punch hole on the center on the Redmi Note 10 as compared to dual front facing camera on the Infinix Note 8, which looks not as good as the Redmi Note 10 single front facing camera punch hole. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. And also we have a 4GB of RAM as compared to 6GB of RAM on the Infinix Note 8. And guys, honestly, I have to say that the Redmi Note 10 is giving you a Super AMOLED display. I am loving this display. So guys, also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Now let's start off with the phone dialer on both phones. Some system based application, here we go. And that is more faster on the Infinix Note 8 as compared to the Redmi Note 10. Now let's see settings, and that is little bit more faster on the Infinix Note 8 if I'm not wrong, followed by the Redmi Note 10. So now let's see Amazon shopping on both phones, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And we have a Snapdragon 678 versus MediaTek Helio G80. Redmi Note 10, it is super faster than the Infinix Note 8. So now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones because both phones has a 60Hz refresh rate display, so no difference in this area. Now let's check out Spotify, and that is exactly the same, no difference there, so that's really interesting. Now let's check out some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. We have a 678 from Snapdragon. Redmi Note 10, it is faster again, followed by the Infinix Note 8. About half a second difference there, not a huge difference, very small difference there. Now let's see Subway Surfer, and you can see that Redmi Note 10, it is much faster phone than the Note 8. Note 8, it is also right behind there, and now the Note 8, it is also done, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference between these two devices. Now let's see the Temple Run 2, and this time the Infinix Note 8, it is a little bit more faster, so that's really interesting. It beat the Redmi Note 10 by just a little bit difference, and you can see. And at the end, Redmi Note 10, it is a little bit more faster. I would say exactly the same on both phones. Very surprising result, I don't expect that. Now let's see Pinout, and that is exactly the same on both phones, and you can see very interesting, no difference there in the Pinout application. So now let's see the PUBG Mobile, very heavy game, and launching at the same time. And let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Infinix Note 8 had this very delay in the start, but looks like Redmi Note 10, it is a little bit more faster, and you can see. So now let's remove this at the same time on both phones, and you can see Super AMOLED display looks amazing on the Redmi Note 10 as compared to 720p IPS LCD display. Looks like Redmi Note 10, it is faster. Yes, it is faster than the Infinix Note 8. as you can see. And guys, you can also see the display quality between these two devices. Super AMOLED display, it is really beautiful. So guys, let me go to the settings on both phones, and now let's show you the graphics settings. And you can see, and guys, and both phones give you a smooth graphics with ultra frame rate, which is also available in the balance as well. And you can see we also have HD graphics option on both phones, but we have maximum high FPS option on this phone. HDR, it is not available on this phone. And you can see, now let's see Snapchat, that is little bit more faster on the Note 10. Now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is exactly the same, no difference there. So now let's see Zedge application on both phones, and you can see Redmi Note 10, it is little bit more faster, just a tiny bit faster than the Infinix Note 8. Now let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Here we go, and that is more faster on the Infinix Note 8, followed by the Redmi Note 10. And guys, now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones. Now let's see wikipedia.org, and that is exactly the same, and you can see no difference there. So now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth, no lag whatsoever. In the start I noticed some lags, that always happened on Android phone. Next on the list is the apple.com, and that is again exactly the same, and you can see that is exactly the same, so that's really interesting. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. And guys, now let's check out the RAM management on both phones. And guys, in this area Infinix Note 8 is performed really bad. And let me show you one thing, and you can see guys, Infinix Note 8, it automatically remove apps in the background. I don't know why, while the Redmi 8 does not remove apps in the background, but the RAM management, it is also really bad on the Redmi Note 10. So now let's see phone dialer, and you can see refresh. Let's see settings, that is again refresh. Amazon shopping, Spotify, and you can see a lot of apps, it is not really available on the Infinix Note 8. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, that is refresh again. Now let's see the Subway Surfer on both phones, that is only refresh on the Redmi Note 10. Let's see Temple Run 2, refresh on the Redmi Note 10 but not on the Note 8. Let's see Pinout, you can see every application refresh on the Redmi Note 10, I don't know why. Now let's see the PUBG Mobile, big game, and that is refresh on the Redmi Note 10. Let's see Snapchat, refresh. Opening up the Twitter, same result. Zedge, last way back to the internet browser, and that is not refresh on both phones, so that's really interesting. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the app's opening speed is, I would say exactly the same on both phones in system based application as well as in game app loading time, as you can see. And guys, in terms of the RAM management wise, Infinix Note 8 is performed much better than the Redmi Note 10. Although Infinix Note 8 is automatically remove apps in the background, a lot of apps than the Redmi Note 10, but almost all the application it is refresh on the Redmi Note 10. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 10 versus the Infinix Note 8. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.